Hello, in today's video we will learn how to create heart symbol using HTML and CSS. And right hand side my web view and left hand side my VS editor. So let's start. First open and close HTML tag. After HTML tag we write head tag, open and close. After head tag we write title tag, open and close. Title is Pure CSS Heart Symbol. Save. After head tag we start and end body tag. Body tag, after body tag we write div class equal to heart. Save. Copy this class name and go to head section and write start and end style tag. Dot heart class name, write display block margin left auto and margin right auto with 100 pixel, height 90 pixel, position relative, complete this heart class CSS. After heart class we write heart colon before comma, copy this line, paste for after. Content blank, position absolute, left 50 pixel, top 0, width 50 pixel, height 80 pixel, background red, border radius 50 pixel 0,0, transform rotate minus 45 degree, transform origin 0 space 100%, save and reload the web page. Copy heart colon after class, left 0, transform rotate 45 degree, transform origin 100% and 100% and save. and reload the web page. This way you can create Pure CSS Heart Symbol. Thank you.